Today, we'll be talking about a phone from Infinix, which is considered one of the cheapest 5 grams phones in this price category. The phone offers decent specifications, but it has a few minor drawbacks that you might not like. So, hit the like button and subscribe, as we're aiming to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of the month. And you're the one who will help us get there. Today, we're reviewing the Infinix Hot 50. We'll cover all the phone's features, pros, cons and price, and we'll even do a comparison at the end of the video. But as I mentioned, likes and subscriptions are important, so let's get started. Phone design. The first thing we'll look at is the phone's design. The design is new from Infinix, but what do I mean by new? It's different from previous phones. Honestly, I'm not sure if the design is great or not. It feels unique because it's different, but the camera modules are a bit large. Overall, the design is good, not bad. But the phone's body is made entirely of plastic. Display. The screen measures 6.7 inches and has an HD resolution of 1600 x 720 pixels with a pixel density of 262 ppi. It's an E-based LCD screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The display is nice because of the 120 stat refresh rate, but it should have been 1080p. However, this is justified since the phone supports 5 grams, and that requires compromises to offer 5 grams support at this price point. Processor. Now, let's talk about the phone's performance or processor. It comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 6300. Built on a 6nm architecture, which is comparable in performance to the Snapdragon 695. The processor will give you very good performance, whether you're gaming, using apps, or doing everyday tasks. The phone comes in two versions, one with 64GB storage and 4GB RAM, and another with 128GB storage and 8GB RAM. It also supports external memory via a microSD card, but you'll have to use the second SIM slot for it. Camera. The rear cameras include two lenses. The main one is 48 megapixel and the second is 2 megapixel for depth sensing. You can record 2K videos at 30 frames per second. The front camera is 8 megapixel and records videos in full HD at 30 frames per second. Battery. The battery has a capacity of 5000 mAh, which is great and provides excellent performance with the energy efficient processor. It supports 18-watt fast charging and reverse charging. Features. Out of the box, the phone runs on Android 14, but it doesn't support NFC. It comes with a headphone jack and a Type-C charging port, but the speakers don't support stereo sound. The phone has IP54 certification for water and dust resistance, and it supports 5 grams services. The available colors are blue, black, green and purple, and the fingerprint sensor is embedded in the power button. Pros. As for the phone's advantages, the processor is excellent for its price category. The device supports 5 grams services and is one of the cheapest phones that offer this feature. The battery is good and provides excellent performance with the energy efficient processor. Cons. As for the drawbacks, the phone doesn't support NFC and the display isn't the best. While the device supports 5 grams, it comes at the expense of screen resolution, which should have been 1080p. Price. Now, let's talk about the price. The expected price for the 128GB storage with 8GB RAM version is $130. Competition. If you're not impressed by this phone, its closest competitor is the Samsung Galaxy F15 4 grams. Samsung's model comes with the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which performs similarly to Infinix's processor. As for the display, the Samsung phone features a Super AMOLED screen with 1080p resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. Samsung has the advantage in display quality, but Infinix has a higher refresh rate at 120. Infinix supports 18W fast charging while Samsung supports 25W, giving Samsung the edge here too. However, Infinix supports 5 grams while Samsung doesn't, giving Infinix the advantage in that regard. At the end of the video, if there's any phone you'd like us to review, leave its name in the comments. I'm also looking forward to hearing your thoughts on the Infinix Hot 55 grams. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.